Good morning, dear students. As your holiday is still extended, so more video will come to you all for completion of the course. In the chapter Organic Chemistry, some basic principles and techniques, we were discussing reaction mechanism. In this, in electronic displacements, you have understood what is your inductive effect and what is your electromagnetic effect. Today I am going to take another effect, and this is your resonance or mesomeric effect. Resonance or mesomeric effect. Try to understand it. When we write the structure of benzene, here you can see that both is the structure of benzene, both is containing 3 double bonds. Okay, the position of the double bond is changed in both, and none of the structure you can say wrong or none of the is right. Means both are equally correct. Okay, none of the structure is wrong, none of the structure you can say is correct, only this can be used. Okay, so you can see that this also is correct, this also is correct, and these are your resonating structures. When any molecule can be represented by more than one canonical forms or enantiomers, then it gives a resonance hybrid structure. And this structure, what we are getting, is not real structure. It is completely imaginary, or you can say it is a theoretical structure, and during course of reaction only we study about it, and means no physical appearance can be shown. Okay. So for this is when the molecule shows different resonating structures, this is called resonance effect or mesomeric effect. Okay, you better write 3-4 lines on it. And one more thing, when we have to find out the resonance energy, for resonance energy in purple I have written the formula: energy of any of the one resonating structure, energy of any one of the resonating structure minus energy of resonance hybrid structure. Okay, the structure which we are taking, here you can see double bond is here, here the double bond position is changed. Ultimately we take this resonating hybrid structure for benzene. Okay, it is found. You will study in detail about this, how this, why we are drawing circle, why this is not right, why this cannot be written, all in your next chapter, hydrocarbons. There in aromatic arenes I will discuss with you all what is the cause. Here one more thing, what is here one you should remember, what thing is one important thing is how the mesomeric effect is shown. How? What is the need of this resonance? The need of this resonance is the system of molecules should be conjugated. What is the meaning of conjugation? Conjugation, see here. You can see here single bond, double bond, single bond, double bond, single, double, single, double, single, double, single, double, single, double. Means when you get alternate double bond, this is called conjugation. Okay. So one structure I am drawing, tell me it is conjugated system or not. Can you say that this molecule is conjugated or not? This double bond is not in conjugation. You can see here double bond, single bond, single bond, double bond. And for conjugation you require single, double, single, double, single, double. So this type of single and double conjugation, double bond is required for resonating structures. Okay. If I ask you, this is your this double bond is in conjugation or not, you will say yes. Single, here you can see single, double, single, double. So this double bond is in conjugation, this is not in conjugation. Only you have to remember that single and double bond in conjugation or in alternate position is not your conjugated system. So for resonance, and that is your mesomeric effect, the system should be conjugated, means the double and single bond should be alternate. Okay, if you have any problem in remembering what is conjugation, remember the alternate word. Okay, single, double, single, double, single, double. This type of system is known as conjugated system. And second point, most important point to remember, key point is transfer of pi electron takes permanently, means in your system single, double, single, double, single, double, this type of adjustment will be there. And this transfer of pi bond electron, transfer of pi bond means your first bond is always a sigma bond, and double bond, your second bond is your pi bond, and triple bond also is your pi bond. So we are taking single and double, so that double bond is your pi bond. Okay, this pi bond shifting will occur from one end to the end of the molecule. Okay, so this is your first, second key point, and it creates polarity in the molecule, and this is a permanent effect. Mesomeric effect takes place in the way through various resonating structures. So these are the three conditions for mesomeric effect. You better, if you want, you can write about this resonance or mesomeric effect. Right. You can decrease the volume while writing, but still I am dictating quite slowly. When a molecule can be represented by more than one form, but no structure is able to explain all the properties of that molecule, are called resonating structures. And this phenomena is termed as resonance or mesomerism. These structures are theoretical structures and do not have real existence. Full stop. These structures contribute equally to form an entirely new or individual structure known as resonance hybrid structure. The third one, the one structure which can represent the both of the structures or as many possible resonating structures. Many it can be. For benzene ring it is 2 possibility, for other molecule it can be more than 2, and for all the resonating structure we can get one resonance hybrid structure. Okay, which has, what you are writing? Have real. These structures are theoretical structures and do not have real existence. These structures contribute equally to form an entirely new or individual structure known as resonance hybrid structure, which has the real existence and explains all the known properties of the molecule. The resonating structure or resonance hybrid structure is explaining all the properties of both the structures. Okay, this only is your resonance hybrid structure. Conditions you can write: energy, resonance energy, also you can note it down from the board. Resonance energy is equal to energy of any one of the resonating structures minus energy of resonance hybrid structure. Okay, this is your the formula to find out resonance energy. Like inductive and electromeric effect, your mesomeric effect is also of 2 types. It is denoted by capital M, plus M effect and minus M effect. Okay, so put first plus M effect. In this, what will happen? Two effects, plus M and minus M. First, understand what is plus M effect. In plus M effect, your example will be any of your halogen, hydroxide, amine group, any group which is containing lone pair of electrons. Okay, so for plus M effect, you can write plus M effect. When the transfer of pi electrons takes place in a conjugated system through various resonating structures away from the group attached to it. ओके, मतलब जो ग्रुप अटैच्ड है उसकी तरफ से मॉलिक्यूल की तरफ, अंदर की तरफ अगर जब जा रहा है कॉन्जुगेशन का सिस्टम, ट्रांसफर यहाँ क्या होता है, सिंगल डबल है ना, तो डबल बॉन्ड जो है वो ट्रांसफर हो जाएगा सिंगल वाले पे, फिर जो उसके बगल वाला जो डबल है वो अपने आगे वाले पे ट्रांसफर होगा. तो इफ़ इट इज़ योर प्लस एम इफेक्ट, तो जो ग्रुप आपका अटैच है उसकी तरफ से मॉलिक्यूल के अंदर की तरफ शिफ्टिंग ऑफ पाई इलेक्ट्रॉन्स का होना होगा. ओके, दिस इज योर प्लस एम इफेक्ट. कंप्लीट द सेंटेंस. When the transfer of pi electrons takes place in a conjugated system through various resonating structures away from the group attached to it is called plus M effect. You can write example. Okay, here you have to remember the molecule which is attached. You can see all the three molecules which I have written is containing lone pair of electrons. So lone pair of electrons should be capable of forming pi bond. ठीक है, this is your plus M effect. Next is your minus M effect. Minus M effect, इसमें क्या होगा, the reverse of that. So write minus M effect. When there is a transfer of pi electrons, towards the group attached. Okay, अब इस बार मॉलिक्यूल में पीछे से जो ग्रुप अटैच्ड है अगर, तो पीछे से उस ग्रुप की तरफ ये आपका ट्रांसफर ऑफ पाई बॉन्ड का होना होगा. ओके, so when there is transfer of pi electrons towards the group attached in the molecule, generally having the multiple bond in itself through various resonating structures is called minus M effect. ठीक है, समझ में आया व्हाट इज रेजोनेंस एंड मीजोमेरिक इफेक्ट. एक बार फिर से एक्सप्लेन करते हैं, जितना नहीं समझ में आया फिर से ध्यान दीजिएगा. एंड आफ्टर दैट हाइपर कंजुगेशन, आई थिंक आई विल मेक अनदर वीडियो फॉर दैट. इफ इट विल बी लॉन्ग, यू विल डेफिनेटली start getting boring of it and you will not see. So I will always give you a short video. Mesomeric effect or resonance effect. The molecule should have the three key points for resonance effect or mesomeric effect is: number one, the system of molecule should have conjugated system. Conjugated means alternate bond system, single double single double single double. Okay, next is the transfer of pi electron takes permanently, मतलब जो डबल बॉन्ड का बॉन्ड शिफ्ट हो रहा है, पाई इलेक्ट्रॉन शिफ्ट हो रहा है सिंगल बॉन्ड पे, ये परमानेंटली आगे की तरफ बढ़ता जाएगा, वो वापस में नहीं आएगा. इट इज परमानेंट एंड इट विल स्टार्ट फ्रॉम वन एंड एंड इट विल प्रोसीड टिल द लास्ट एंड मॉलिक्यूल विल बेयर पोलैरिटी. ठीक है, शिफ्टिंग होगी, प्लस माइनस अकॉर्डिंगली आता जाएगा. ओके, एंड थर्ड इज you will get different resonating or you can say mesomeric structures. These are the key points for resonance or mesomeric effect. It is of two types: plus M effect and minus M effect. When the compound which is attached to the chain, okay, is containing lone pair of electrons and bond is moving towards the group attached, this is your plus M effect, and when your minus M effect, the molecule which is attached to the ring or chain, you can say chain or ring, anything is possible, it is already containing multiple bond, and from back till the group your pi bond transfer will take place. Okay, so plus M effect, when the transfer of pi electron takes place through various resonating structures away. प्लस एम इफेक्ट मतलब कि आपका जो भी स्ट्रक्चर के साथ कंपाउंड अटैच है इससे दूर की तरफ जाएगा, दैट इज प्लस एम इफेक्ट। और जब अगर अटैच मॉलिक्यूल की तरफ आएगा पाई बॉन्ड ट्रांसफर, इट इज़ योर माइनस एम। अटैच से दूर जाएगा प्लस एम, अटैच की तरफ आएगा माइनस एम। Okay, transfer, it is not very difficult one, and children, do remember whatever you are studying, it is just the ABCD of chemistry, organic chemistry. Okay, once you will understand this ABCD, then you will see that very easily you are able to form any word or sentence. Okay, so you have to understand properly all these effects and whatever next will be taught in this chapter. As you see that your organic chemistry is quite vast, but you will see that it is getting repeated many times. Whatever you are studying here, it is getting repeated whenever one mechanism you are studying, whenever the same type of reaction is coming, again the same mechanism you have to use it there. So though the chemistry is very vast, but there is repetition of the terms, repetition of the mechanism that will make easy for you. Okay, so this much all about your resonance or mesomeric effect. Next I will come with hyperconjugation. Okay, thank you so much children.